watching gubernatorial races and ballot initiatives. I guess initiata would be the plural at this hour. Lester, what do you have?
I'm sorry, I'm fascinated watching them squeegee Nevada.
Yeah, you and us both.
But, you know, there are certain things you don't ever expect to see on TV, and one of them is it's been a good night for pot smokers. There were several initiatives on the ballot.
Keep your personal life out of it.
Both Colorado and Washington tonight have approved, voters have approved the legalization of recreational use of marijuana. Now, these were propositions that would allow these states to regulate and tax the use of small amounts of marijuana, people who use small amounts, 21 and over. The governor of Colorado, interestingly, was against that proposition there. He issued a statement today saying it's still illegal in the eyes of federal law, so pot smokers shouldn't break out the Cheetos or Goldfish too quickly. Now, I'm sure that pot smokers know what he meant there.
I guess they don't have Entenmann's out there.
I'm just going to take a guess. I've heard the term munchies before. Maybe
what
that's
happened
what
to Malamars? Is that no good anymore?
I won't even pretend to know about these things.
Okay.
Also, we should note that it was medical marijuana was on the ballot in Massachusetts. Voters there approved it. Oregon had a legalization for recreational use. They turned it down. Arkansas also rejected a medical marijuana law on the books put to voters today. I also want to mention gay marriage. There were